He's getting heavier weight. I'm gonna throw him. Ah! Driver bonding.
That's good. That's good. That's good. Ah!
We'll start on this side and go mid.
Let's fill up the mid. We fill up the mid, and then we may drop some down to the low. If there are any links down there, then we fill those up.
Oh. Yeah, the preset's not liking that. Hold on. Hold on.
Yep, got it. Go up with it. Just double. Yep, we're good. 9. Control us down. Good. Got it. We're gonna do 2 cones, our grid, and then it's, defense. Hit them. Hit them in the nuts. Beat it up.
A true man, gentleman's game.
Play to win the game. 7, 6, 5, 2, 6. Good job.
There's so many penalties on.
Good. I'm really interested to see where this goes. We have not tested this auto yet.
We're gonna find out.
I love the vacuum guy. Big fan of vacuum guy.
Yep.
Vacuum dude's a dog.
What?
Said vacuum guy's a dog.
Sure. Or should we put it on there? Wait. What is that? Is that always there?
No.
What?
If you do it because you're just always make sure you have one there.
I don't know what is our robot gonna start speaking Latin?
We'll see.
That's a new one.
That's a lot of cubes out there. Start pushing cubes. She's gonna load. She's just gonna dump the field. Y'all gotta move.
I can't move the arm at all. Slow. The arm is down. See if you can get up on the front.
Stop. Yep, get level, auto level.
Just get up on the front.
You're doing great.
Hold on.
Yep, just push them in if you can.
Oh, it
Yep,
just
right to the side. Yep. Let them do it.
Guys, our arm's done.
We're trying to get that last one right there.
All right, we can.
Yep. And we can push it to the side. That's teamwork. That's fucking teamwork. No, don't worry about it. Hold on, Kobe.
Tell him to back off. Okay, we're up.
Good job, guys. Good job. What? They were talking about us.
Let's stay over here. They didn't want to say hello.
If you believe, baby. Oh, heaven forgive me for what I'm about to do. I'm not proud of it. On.
Toby, get ready to hit him. Calm down. Ladder. Here. There you go. Good hit. Line up.
Whoa, why was that?
Whoa.
Come back, man. What's that, please? Come back. Everybody on. Let's go.
Drop it. Just come on.
Go, on that side, around. 7, 8, 5, 4, 3.
you see him?
Whoa, that
Who is this guy?
was bonkers.
Who is that?
Who's that weirdo?
He's my hero.
Boo! He dropped it.
That needs to go in the over 1 to 10, 51.
80 seconds.
We already got one there. Arm up.
It's not going up.
Okay.
Are you pressing the button?
No, it's not going up.
Okay. Just spin it, push it.
Right, scoot over, scoot over.
Let's go. 51.89. Let's go.
Back out, back out. Stop on.
Where are all the penalties?
The driving across in the beginning.
Our partners both drove across the white line.
Oh, that's 2 tech fouls.
They drew like 3 or 4. Yeah!
What?
Liberty, and a couple, I don't know, goofballs. I don't know.
FBI and
Yeah.
the law? It's FBI and the law.
I just want a robot to work.
Is it working right now?
Yeah?
Well, as long
Was
as
it
the arm,
working before every
as long as the arm doesn't
No.
crack, we're fine.
Hey, look, we were ranked 3.
You were right.
I don't know how. We did not deserve that, but actually we got some. Joey, cube. Down, down.
You want cone? We got 2 in there already.
Okay, let's get it going, let's get it going.
Move!
No, get out of there, get out of there. It's not happening.
Yeah, it is. We're the best.
Man, this has got to be quick. We got 15. 10. We gotta go. We gotta go.
Sorry.
Look pretty good out there.
Did you like that call? We got this. We're the best.
Good stuff. Good stuff.
Let's go. Perfectly as planned. Oh, we missed it. Oh. That's not. Oh well.
We're gonna put this reloading phone on and then go play defense.
Okay. Yeah, like try and catch them on the way out after their first cycle.
Yeah, that's the goal.
And then if they get past you, push a piece into the zone.
Wave at him, wave at him. Hold your hand up, hold your hand up. Hold your hand up. Oh no! Stay!
You push something in. All right, here you go. Here you go.
Here they come, here they come! Hit him, hit him.
Yep, fight all day. Yep. They don't know what to do. They don't know what to do.
Hit him.
Yep, love it.
How does the ice do that?
Damaging contact! That didn't come up on its own! We'll push you onto the charge station in the end.
No, I don't think we can.
We're getting whipped here.
Hit them really hard when they come. Just knock them out there. There you go. Stay on him. Stay on him. Block him. Hit them hard when they come out. There you go. What? Come on, guys.
Up. You're fine. Go for the climb. Climb. Come on, 1763.
On!
Get on with us. 1763, do not touch the station. We weren't going to keep up with them.
We could have kept. That's from our team.
No, we couldn't.
No, we couldn't. Look at that.
Somebody else gonna have to push the cart because I gotta go put a record on there. That was fine. It showed they're vulnerable, but not that vulnerable. You played good. When you locked up with them, they didn't know what to do.
Yeah.
And so there were 2 or 3 lockups that were solid, and they evaded. I loved the scaling cluster there. That was fun.
I mean, do what you can with what you got.
But the next 2 should be fun.
Yeah.
Our dog broke.
Broke?
Yeah, broke.
I'm trying to think how they can get inside our frame perimeter without breaking their own frame perimeter.
Yeah, I know. That was even like, because Travis is trying to negotiate now.
Travis, that's what he's putting on a shirt right now. Not his perfect hair.
Last one.
Hoping the arm just. It was running fine for like 10,
Yeah.
20 minutes.
And then,
There's nothing that should make it do that again.
Okay.
Is
that auto right? Is that gonna take us long enough?
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it will.
Tyler, fix it.
Oh, wait, maybe he didn't.
Is there another one that goes longer?
No. No, there's not.
What about the one where default? It's that gone.
Yeah, it's gone. Oh, well.
Oh, it did go far.
A little further, not far enough. Triple climb is the most important thing. Hold up.
SWAT, stop moving! I would like it to be known I didn't like that choice. But when you tell them to stop moving and they don't.
I know.
Was there something wrong with Driven?
Yeah, they're talking to FTA right now.
Okay. Best case scenario, we get a replay.
We definitely lost that match.
Yeah, I know.